I feel like agent loop is addictive. I personally feel that way. Like you build one agent or you build one or two agents and you'll get hooked to it. This is what I'm seeing. This is what has happened to me. I guess that's why you see all this energy coming out. And most of the people I talk to, you Ahmad, I'm seeing like you build one agent and now you're probably, I don't know, 10 plus. So yeah, it's very addictive.
Action. So nice to have a small talk with you, Divya. And so this is like a short of the integration love story, and we would like to just start off with if you could introduce yourself. We know you as a tech person, but if you were to introduce yourself to someone outside tech, how would you introduce yourself?
Sure, yeah. I'm Divya Swarnkar. I'm from India, so I grew up in India, came here to do my master's, and then after that stayed here only. In terms of my family, I have a daughter, 13-year-old daughter, and two dogs. So really busy mom. And work-wise, I've been with Microsoft for quite some time, currently in Logic Apps and working as a product manager. So I think really enjoying both the fronts, personal and professional at this time.
I, I just want to dig in very shortly about the dogs because we talked about it earlier. And so I had dogs all my life. So can you just what type are they and how are they to each other?
And it's already two dogs, so yeah. It's a lot of work, I guess.
Yeah, I think I love animals. I love dogs. I had one when I came to US. One of the things I had always wanted was to have a pet. But then my parents were like, "Will you take the responsibility?" And I was, I guess, never ready for that. So after I came here, I was ready, and then I got my first dog, who lived happily for 13 years. And then his name was Buddy. So after he passed away, I fostered a dog, and then I just fell in love with her. So that's my older dog. Her name is Choco. She's 9 years. And then my daughter always wanted to have a puppy, so I had to get another one. And so we have another dog, Lily. She's a golden retriever. And so now I have one daughter and two girls.
And when your daughter asked, you could relate on
Exactly.
the wish of having a pet, I guess.
I asked her, and she was ready to do all the work. So yeah, we got her.
That's really, yeah, amazing. And it seems like there is a lot of work at home.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah.
That's the feel for you. Yeah, I have the same things. Also, two kids and a dog. But you are wearing a T-shirt there saying Logic Apps. We know that you work a lot with Logic App and the AI, and you have been working hard in the last period about that. But I want to take us a little bit further back. How did you end up in the Logic App team?
So I was actually working for a team within Microsoft who was building integration services on top of Logic Apps. So I started basically as a customer of Logic Apps.
Okay.
And it was in like the very early days of Logic Apps. So worked closely with the product team and provided them tons of feedback on what we needed in terms of as a customer, what capabilities we needed in the product. And while doing that, I just fell in love with the product, what it can do, and just people as well who were, working on these things. Very committed team, very passionate, set of individuals who really want the best for customers and want the best for the product. So I was fortunate that I was hired, and since then I've stayed with this team. I don't want to leave. It's a great product.
The passion continues.
Yeah, the passion is growing actually.
Yeah, that's amazing.
But just a question there. I mean, we work a lot with Logic Apps, and you said that you were on the customer side giving feedback a lot to Microsoft. I mean, for us or for anyone else in this community, is that your advice to keep giving you feedback?
Yes. I think when I was on the other side, I actually saw the difference it made to the product with all the feedback that we were giving to them. And so that has not changed at all. In fact, that feedback loop is actually getting shorter and shorter. So we want feedback every single day because things are changing so fast. And the team, I think the team is even more motivated to get feedback now than before. Before as well, I wouldn't say then before, but yeah, it had always been true that this team drives on customer feedback. We don't build things just for the sake of building it. We build things where customers need it, where uh, market is sort of driving those needs as well. So
But then, speaking, I mean, the second last question, I guess, but it's up to you. But I mean, the market at the moment is a lot of agentic. We see agentic all the time. So I mean, maybe the answer it answers itself. But what was the thought about the agentic loop and everything in Logic App that you announced just these couple of months?
yeah, I think we had been talking about AI and agents throughout this conference, and we had also chatted, with you all in last few weeks as well. I guess like this space is moving so fast, right? So, uh, and I think when it started, like people were thinking maybe it's a hype, right? It started with that, right? It started with maybe it's a hype, but it's not a hype because we are seeing more and more real use cases, real applications, real outcomes of using AI, and the what it brings to customers. But we are still in very early stages. And so, what we see, I think where we fit in is that building agents is an extension of integration. What is your agent doing at the end of the day? It's integrating with different systems as tools, right? It's integrating with different business processes. So, for us to think about agents, it was a natural progression. When customers are going to infuse AI into your business processes, what is the best, what of any platform, which platform can offer these capabilities the best? It has to be an integration platform. So I think we are in the best position to offer customers the right solutions, the right way to build these AI applications. Everybody is talking about MCP servers these days, right?
Yes.
Logic Apps has 1400 connectors. If you think about it, we are already offering 1400 MCP servers out of the box, right? So we offer workflow orchestration, we are offering you agents, and we are offering you MCP servers out of the box. That's all you need to build the agents. So.
Yes, that's actually a really nice take to that question. Actually,
But I guess, I
It
mean,
already-
we really want to talk even more in a longer episode. But
Yeah.
would you like to ask the last question regarding this? What we always ask.
Yes, what we always ask, because it's the name of this podcast. It's called Integration Love Story. So, like, you have been coming from a different background. I don't know if you've been working in the tech space before working with Microsoft, but what made you fall in love with integration? What is the moment that said, "Oh my God, I want to continue doing that for the rest of my life"?
Yeah, I think my love is a combination of both the product and the people I work with. So I think that had always stayed, and even like actually is just getting better with time. And I think in terms of my integration story, I would say with all the AI work that is happening in the team, there is like a there is a there is a passion and energy that is around that I've never felt before. So I think this is the best time to be in integration space, and I think I'm having a lot of fun. The people I'm working with me are the people I'm working with. They are super energized, so excited to do these things. We're almost like I almost feel I always wanted to see like what a startup culture would be, right? I almost feel like I'm working in a startup right now. We think of ideas and we just are able to do something, deliver something in few weeks. So it's very exciting time. Yeah.
And yes, and I also consider, like, I consider you and like a lot of people from the product team as like part of the community. I don't know. I don't see you as someone building a technology that we are using. which is actually, it's an amazing feeling
Yeah.
to have this kind of experience. You don't usually get that outside of this
Yeah,
space.
we build it together, I guess.
Yes. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and kudos to you and thanks to you. I mean, you actually bring the real value out of what we build, right? Because you're building solutions for actual customers. And I think I have to put a plug here for the work that you've done with Agent Loop as well. And this
Thank you.
awesome. I was looking at the tool you've built that takes in this form that you're asking for folks to submit. I don't know what you're calling it. What are you calling it?
Superhero creator or something. Integration superhero creator.
Integration
Made
super
it up
great.
now.
Yeah, and I think I would say like this is what, developers can have fun building something, and then even people who are using it can have fun building something, right? So it's like everybody involved in this is having such a great time, and that's what is exciting. Yeah.
Yes, I just want to add something up because it's just not only about the amazing work and what we do. It's like this enthusiasm that you talk and you share, how you share things. I went there back to the office and I showed them how we need to do that, and we can now use this agentic AI. And I found that I have the guys, Håkan and Simon, but like at office, and it's like, yes, we're gonna do that now, and they start to build also. So this it's contagious.
Yeah.
Contagious.
Yes,
Definitely.
I think I'll add one more thing. You will find me like all gaga about Agent Loop, but it's that good stuff. I feel like Agent Loop is addictive. I personally feel that way. Like you build one agent or you build one or two agents and you'll get hooked to it. This is what I'm seeing. This is what has happened to me. I guess that's why you see all this energy coming out. And most of the people I talk to, you Ahmed, I'm seeing like you build one agent and now you're probably, I don't know, 10
no,
plus.
I have 5 now.
Yeah. So yeah, it's very addictive. Yeah.
Yes, and I have 5 as I sit there, and that's a message for all the integrators out there.
Yeah.
Don't try agentic logic apps because it is addictive. So
or do try. I mean, we just talked about someone else here, and they said like have fun with. I mean, have fun with even if you don't have a customer case, even at the moment, just try and start and have fun with it, and then it's gonna come.
it's gonna come.
And
But-
give us feedback.
Feedback as well. We're doing this together.
Yes.
But thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
True pleasure. True pleasure.
Pleasure. Okay. Bye bye.